The WEN 41121 electric wood chipper uses a strong 15-amp motor to chew through yard debris quickly, turning piles of branches and clippings into useful mulch. Its dual 7-inch blades spin at an impressively high speed, so it handles small branches and woody stems without bogging down. The hopper is generously sized and accepts branches up to about 1½ inches thick, which is ideal for routine yard cleanup rather than only tiny twigs. Despite its power, the chipper is relatively compact and light, and the built-in handle and 6-inch wheels make it easy to roll around the yard or tuck into a corner of the garage. Safety is thoughtfully addressed with an interlock that keeps the machine from running when the hopper is open, which is reassuring when working around flying chips. It comes ready to work with installed blades, a push stick, and a collection bag, and WEN backs it with readily available replacement parts and responsive support.